Cheryl, how has earning the PMP transformed your career trajectory?
It definitely has changed my confidence in that I've learned over the years that if you study and learn everything in the PMBOK, you will not use everything that's in there in your day-to-day, exactly like Greg and Shane said. And so at first that's can be really frustrating because you're thinking, why did I learn all that? I never see it. But then when you realize day after day after day is that now you know, A, how things should be integrated and working together. And then B, you also have the knowledge and the background that if you need to move into the next in the next area of your company or career, then you at least have a background and a basis for things like earned value management. Not everybody uses earned value management, right? But when people start talking about it, you want to have some idea what it is that they're talking about. And then you know where you can go to get that information. So it really has given me over the years the confidence that actually I don't have these great big gaps of knowledge of areas that just because I've never worked there, I've never touched it, I don't know about it because I've at least been introduced to it. So I appreciate that. And then it's also transformed my career in that I moved into the contracting manager for my company just recently. And I'll be darned if it's not just project management. And I don't know if it's just me that didn't realize that, but I'm telling you, especially if you want to work in any kind of government contracting, that is the background that you need. Because that's what they do. They're doing industry standard. They're doing, formalized learning. They want people to have their PMPs, and they are using it when they set up contracts and when they're asking you to report back in earned value management and all these kinds of things. So I had no idea as I was learning those things that they were going to apply so heavily in my future career, and they set me up to be able to take that on.